Hello, how's it going? Welcome. Today has been a day. So yeah, we're just doing a short and cute little stream. We're gonna continue Little Mouse's Encyclopedia. So the stream will be around an hour. I don't have a timer this time. It's not gonna be specifically an hour, and after that it's just done. But we did around the burrow, and we did the forest, and we did that in basically an hour. So I assume the pond and the garden will take about that long. So yeah. There's puzzles? Oh. Okay, we'll have to check that out. Wait, actually, okay. Okay. It does look... Okay, it's just jigsaw puzzles, not... Oh, and you can... Oh, that's actually really cute. You can choose what, like, part of it that you want to... Oh. Okay, that wasn't quite what I was thinking. But yeah, we'll just go to the pond. Oh, let me actually... Oh! Oh, I don't like those legs. It looks like a bird that could eat me in my little mouse form. But it's probably fine. I mean, I doubt cute, I doubt cute educational mouse game would, you know, be deadly in any way. Ooh. Hello. I remember the name in Norwegian, but not in English. Heron, yes. Grey heron. The bill acts like a harpoon. Oh yeah, because that's the heron is the bird that kind of like puts its wings around itself so that... Actually, maybe that's a different bird. Extended feathers, a long, slender neck, and long legs. Its diet also includes frogs. Pumps the wings slowly. Both parent birds tend the nest. Aww. Not just one parent. A widespread species inhabiting areas with abundant food. In flight, the neck is folded in an S shape. Oh yeah, you can tell actually from the one drawing there. Huh. That's interesting. Did not know that about the heron. Okay, let's see. There was also a... There we go. Bulrush or cattail. Flower head with down. Rambling rhizome? That's apparently the name of its root, I guess. The leaves are used for making reed mats, among others. The down is used to serve as a filler for duvets. Really? I did not know that. Huh. The fruit body looks like a sausage. It does. But I've seen people, like, clips of people biting into them. Probably not a good idea to do that. Probably not a good idea. The bulrush is a 1 to 3 meter tall perennial marsh plant. It grows on the banks of ponds and pools and marshes. Huh. Cool. Okay, and you have a little something. Flowering rush. Pink flowers in the umbel. Long leaves. It's close up of the flower. It's very pretty. Seeds take root on the muddy bottom. The rhizome is edible and apparently used for coffee and flour? That's interesting. Perennial wetland or aquatic plant grows to a height of 50 to 140 centimeters, multiplies by seeds and crawling rhizomes. It's tall. It's very tall, but I guess it has to be able to, like, reach the top of whatever pond it's growing in. Yeah. Oh. Mosquito larvae. Oh, they have fine hairs and a breathing tube hanging upside down from the surface. The larvae of the mosquito feed on aquatic microorganisms, develop in water tanks in 4 stages. So the female lays the eggs, the larvae hatch after 2 days, the larva turns into pupa with a big head. The pupa becomes an adult. Huh. I did not know that that's how I knew that mosquitoes, kind of need, wet, stagnant places is, the best place for them. And I guess that's because the larvae literally is hanging upside down from the surface, breathing through a tube. Huh. That is interesting. That is really interesting. Okay. Here's a little school of fishies. Fish development. Hatched larvae are called fish fry. Fish fry have many enemies, from water beetles to water birds. There's an egg, then an embryo, larva with a yolk sac, and then juvenile. Huh. So that's just generally, fish development. That's not a specific species of fish. This is generally how fish evolve, or, grow up, not evolve. That's the completely wrong term there. Oh, look at him go! Oh, that's so cute. A back swimmer is a dark belly, a pale back, long rowing legs. Female lays eggs into the stems of aquatic plants, and it swims upside down. Oh, that's interesting. It actually swims upside down. It's a predatory aquatic true bug. It lives in still water and can even fly. It impales other insects with its proboscis. It ejects digestive juices into the victim and then sucks it out. Its sting is painful. Oof. I imagine, that sting would probably be painful. Oh, jinkies. Curled pondweed. Leaves are alternate sessile. Flower close-up, so it's flowers. That's what the leaves look like. Very good food for fish. Also has rhizome, so that is a kind of root, I'm assuming. Grows in stagnant or slow-moving water. Its leaves are submerged, making a good hiding place for fish fry. Oh. Hello. Hi. Oh, he's sleepy. Koipu has a thick coat, nostrils, tactile whiskers. It eats mainly vegetation, webbed feet, and a scaly tail. Is a large invasive rodent adapted to life in water and on land, originally from South America. It has distinctive orange front teeth. Oh, its young are born throughout the year. Okay, so they don't have a specific mating period. It's just throughout the entire year. That's interesting, because most animals kind of have a period of time where they're and this is when we breed, basically. But no, they're just all year round. It riddles the banks it lives in with burrows. Ah. I guess that's a tiny little example of its burrow. It probably would be a lot larger, like the entire burrow. Oh, hello. Wait, was that? Oh. Oh. Hello. You were very well hidden. A water scorpion. I've never heard of that. Flat body, wings, a breathing tube again. At mating time flies. The male tends to the eggs. The breathing tube works in the same way as a snorkel. Oh, okay, right. Is a member of the predatory true bugs who lives in water with a silty bottom and overgrown banks. Huh. When hunting, first stirs up the silt for cover, then when the prey is near, catches it with its leg and injects venom. Oh. Kinda spooky. Hello. Oh. Oh. Hello there. Bug. Yes, indeed. Hello, Kelly. Welcome. How are you doing? And fish. This kind of reminds me of the Arrokuda from... Oh, it's a pike. Okay, yeah, no, it actually looks more like the pike from Animal Crossing. Could have known. How are you doing, Kelly? Welcome. There's a cylindrical body, a dorsal fin, toothed muzzle, anal fin? That's interesting. We're learning fishes. We're learning about bugs and plants and fishes and rodents, all kinds of things in the pond. It grows up to 1.5 meters long. Oh, that's pretty big. That's a long fish. Predatory fish that hunts mainly during the night. Spawning is in March and April. Its dry hide and thick vegetation. Mouth is full of sharp teeth. Keeps water courses free of sickly fish. I mean, so they kind of have like a... It's as big as you. Yeah, it sure is. Oh, gosh. Yeah, so these guys actually, like, they do a service to the waters by keeping them free of sick fish by, well, eating them, I assume, but you probably needed... Ooh, bird! Water lily. White or pinkish flower. That's a flower section. Water lilies are so pretty. The leaves are a popular resting place for frogs. The fruit contains seeds. It has fruit? The rhizome length can be up to 2 meters. Oh, that's pretty long. The water lily is a perennial plant living predominantly in calm ponds and rivers. It flowers from June to August. Oh, they're pretty. Oh, Mom bird is feeding the little birdies. Oh, that's very cute. That's very cute. A reed warbler. Light brown coloring, slender long beak. Sings predominantly by day and by night. A migratory bird that flies south to Africa each October. Inhabits dense reed beds and scrub near water. Eats on insects, spiders, but also berries. Oh no, Kelly. You gotta stay away from the reed warbler. I know that one from Elden Ring. Not sure it's quite that one, but oh, happily climbs reed stalks. Who often lay its egg in a warbler's nest. Oh. So yeah, the warbler babies are in danger. Let's see. Oh, what this? Oh, is that a leech? That kind of looks like a leech, doesn't it? It is a leech. A back sucker, jointed body, and a sucker. So it has 2 suckers. The leech floats. Hides under stones in still water. Sucks the blood of various aquatic animals, especially amphibians. It sucks onto small aquatic animals. Its jaw are Y-shaped. Human skin is too tough to bite through. They do sometimes stick to people, though. Backsucker. Yep, it is. But, like, you see people coming out of ponds and stuff with leeches on them. I have heard that if you do get a leech on you, it's better to just leave it be and let it kind of have its fill and it'll just, like, detach than trying to, like, pull it off. But I don't know how true that is. Don't know that much about it. It's a clam! A swan mussel, actually. Valve. And... okay, right. Eats on small particles of dead plants and animals. Its muscular foot allows the mussel to move around. So that's a foot. Huh. Eat the leech. Oh, poor leech. A freshwater bivalve living in muddy water and small lakes, ponds, and swamps. Lifespan is typically 5 to 15 years. Oh wow, very sensitive to water purity. Gets food by sieving water. Its eggs hatch into larvae. Larvae suck blood from the gills of fish. Oh, that's interesting. I've never really thought about how mussels, like, reproduce, I guess, but I wouldn't have guessed larvae, I'll be completely honest. Slug. A sea slug, I guess, or I don't know. It's going away. Bye. A great pond snail. Okay. Right-handed spiral shell, tentacle, mouth, muscular foot. Freshwater snail that inhabits ponds and lakes. Lives for up to 5 years, lays 200 to 300 eggs. Feeds on algae and plants. Breathing hole raised above the surface. Oh, okay, right. In times of drought, can seal its shell. Oh, that's interesting. So it has a defense mechanism for if the water disappears, basically. I mean, that's good. Top snail. I don't know, it seems to be at the bottom of the pond. Water milfoil. Oh, that looks nice. The ear grows up above the surface. Inflorescence. Not sure what that is. Water veneer moth larvae eat at the stems. Hang on. Let me do a little Google search on that. What was the word? Inflorescence. I want to know the definition of that. Inflorescence. Inflorescence in a flowering plant, a cluster of flowers on a branch or a system of branches. Oh, okay, right. Gotcha. Okay. No, okay, right. Water veneer moth larvae eat the stems. Need ginger tea. My throat is killing me. Oof, yes. Ginger tea sounds like a very good idea. I'm sorry that your throat is bad. I hope you feel better soon. Tea should help. Well, soothing. Olive green leaves. You can colonize the entire expanse of water. Oh, wow. A perennial plant colonizing slow-flowing and stagnant waters with a muddy or sandy bottom. That's interesting. Hello. Oh. Didn't get the fishy. Didn't get it. Great crested grebe. The male has a larger crest, dark wing, dermal lobes, pale belly, and pointed beak. A waterfowl found on large bodies of water. Its staple food are fish, but also insects. Lifespan up to 15 years. Mating dance of a grebe pair. Aw, cute. Can stay underwater for up to 3 minutes. That's not bad. Little grapes ride on its back. Aw, that's cute. They give lift to their young. That is very cute. Well, that'll probably take me somewhere, I think. Okay, let's look at all the other things first. It's also a snail. Oh no! Oh, okay, it's okay. It didn't fall to the bottom. Great ram's horn snail. Flat shell, 2 tentacles, eyes, green-brown coloring. A freshwater snail found in stagnant or slow-flowing water. Young snails have bristles on their shells, which they lose over time. It eats algae and plant residue. It breathes with lungs. Lays eggs in clusters. Huh. Oh, I saw a tadpole! I think. Oh. Oh. Something got eaten. Dragonfly larva. Feelers, eyes, thorax, abdomen. They're predatory, can even catch a tadpole. Oh no. The head can extend the lower labium. Huh. Dragonfly nymphs live in water and grow up to 4 centimeters long. That's pretty long for a larvae. Not that I know that much about it, I guess, but it feels like a lot to me. The larva lives underwater for 4 to 5 years. Oh wow, that's really long. And after its last molt, climbs to the surface and changes into a dragonfly. So it becomes an egg. It's a larvae. I guess a bigger larvae. And then dragonfly. Interesting. Freshwater sponge. The coloring varies depending on the surroundings. The green color is caused by algae. In shaded places, the sponge color is more yellowy green. It grows on stones and aquatic plants in still waters and slow-moving rivers. It can grow up to 100 centimeters. Wow. Feeds on protozoa and plankton. Oh, some larvae feed on sponges. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see. Alodia, sessile leaves, blooms above the surface. It also has rhizome. It looks like a lot of the plants, that basically grow in water has a rhizome, but that's kind of their root. So probably a specific kind of root that thrives in water. Yeah, that's tadpoles. A leaf close-up. Oh, it's an aquarium plant. A perennial plant originating in Canada. It roots in the bottom of or free floats around in still waters. Oh. That's interesting. Oh, look at him go! A water shrew. Small eye, small ears, a dark coat, and lighter coat. Stiff hair keel. A reclusive rodent that lives on the banks of clean waterways, streams, and rivers, active at night and lives for up to 2 years. Paralyzes prey with a weak venom. Teeth are red at the tip. The stiff hairs help it to move in water. Oh, that's interesting. I did not know that shrew, the water shrew, had weak poison or the venom that it paralyzes its prey with. That is interesting. Oh, we've gone a little bit too far. Oh. Huh. Broad-bodied darter. It has mandibles, a thorax, membranous wings, flat abdomen. Is a predator and belongs to dragonflies. The male's abdomen is sparkling pale blue. Females are brown. Compound eye dragonflies. Lurks to catch prey from a vantage point. Dragonflies catching flying insects. Oh. Huh. Interesting. Hello, birdie. Oh. Oh. Huh. A reed bunting. In the mating season, the male has a black head, has a discreet, quiet song. It's white-colored. Weighs 15 to 20 grams. That's not a lot. It's a birds are light animals to begin with, so yeah. Migratory bird. Lives on the edges of ponds in reeds and scrub where it breeds twice a year. Songbird. And that's the stuff it feeds on. Seeds, larvae, bugs of different kinds. I guess insects. Flies in a wavy, stuttering motion. Each clutch has 4 or 5 eggs. Oh, I see. Water crowfoot, white flowers, found in stagnant and slow-flowing waters or fish ponds, pools, streams, and channels. It can cover an entire river. That must be kind of pretty, though. Flowers from May to August. The leaves are 2 types of leaves. The growth creates a haven for fish. Oh, so that's really nice for fish. That's a mosquito, but I don't seem to be able to interact with it. Oh, hello. Hi. A carp. Dorsal fin, tail fin, anal fin, ventral fin, gills, whiskers. Welcome back, Kelly. Hope you have good ginger tea. Oh, ginger orange tea with honey. Oh, that sounds delicious. Anal fin. That's the one that caught your eye. A freshwater fish lives in ponds and lakes, can grow up to 100 centimeters and weighs up to 30 kilograms. That's a big fish. That's a really big fish. Circles on the scales act like tree rings. Oh, so you can tell how old they are? An omnivore, eating small animals and water plants. Fried carp is a popular dish. Oh no. I mean, yes it is, but that feels like, you know, kind of a sad fact. It's killed for food a lot. Yes, we've read about that one. It's rude, but you can ask it. Wait, ask it what? Oh, catfish? Or... Yes, it is catfish. Oh, it's age. Yes, you're not wrong. Yep. Dorsal fin. Oh, it has skin without scales. Tail fin, anal fin. 3 pairs of whiskers. Huh. Grows up to 2 meters long. Usually answers with glub glub. You're not wrong. That is usually what fish say. Yeah. One of the largest European fish. Its lifespan is anything up to 40 years. It lives in large muddy watercourses. It hunts by night. Oh, an adult individual feeds on other fish, small birds, and larvae and worms. Catfish guards his nest full of eggs. Catching a catfish is quite difficult. Huh. I know that people like use their arms basically as bait for catfish, which seems absolutely insane to me. Anal fin too. Well, actually... Oh god, there's been more than that. Oh, look at him go! Cute. Great diving beetles. It has feelers, wings under elytra, legs for swimming. Its larvae can even catch tadpole, one of the biggest water beetles, a good night flyer. Oh. Above the water, it takes a breath several times an hour. Oh. I love the Beatles. Yeah, great band. The immature stage looks completely different from an adult beetle. The beetle lives in freshwater reservoirs, ponds, and lakes. Cool. Oh, we get to see the mosquito from over here. I like that it actually interacts with the bird there. Mosquito. Proboscis. Feelers, hair, scaly abdomen, stinging and sucking apparatus. I like how they just got buzz, buzz, buzz amidst an annoying high-pitched whine. I mean, you're not wrong. Oh. Flying insect. The females suck animal and human blood. Males only suck the nectar from flowers. After stinging, the skin gets perforated by mandibles resembling knife blades. One draws the blood into the mosquito's body. Ugh. But you can know whenever you've been bitten by a mosquito, it was a lady that did it. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing or, you know, a neutral thing or whatnot, but you can have that knowledge. Oh, mallard. A male, female, speculum. Webbed feet, a water bird. The male is very different from the female. Yeah, the male is like, they look like different species. They really do. But they're very cute. I like mallards. Feeds on plants and animals. Oh, even frogs, actually. Only the females tend the nest. Ducklings find food for themselves. Oh, wow. So they're just born, and then it's just like, well, you're on your own, kiddo. Read. Panicle? Hairy nodes. I read hairy noodles in my head before I actually read it out loud. Big duck. It is a big duck, yeah. Grows up to 4 meters tall. Wow. Rhizome. Right, yeah. Found at the banks of rivers and still waters, as well as wetlands where it produces reed beds. Oh. Makes a good perch for many birds. The reeds are used to make hats. Nice, that's very cool. Hairy noodles. I mean, it kind of makes sense with the drawing as well. Oh, hi there. Oh. Water spider. There's a hair in my soup. Man, this is what you ordered. Oh no. Fused head and chest. Hairs, abdomen, bubbles of air, eyes. The males are larger than the females. The bite of a water spider is painful. Ugh. Spends its whole life underwater among the plants, is a member of the venomous spiders. Underwater, it builds an air bell into which it vents air from its abdomen. It dwells here and lives for several weeks. See, this is a reason to just not go swimming in ponds. There are water spiders in there. Ugh. Anyways. Oh, that's the catfish. So we've been all the way over here. Frog spawn. Protective jelly-like mass. A black disc serves for warming up. The eggs in one cluster can number several thousand. Egg-laying methods vary between frog species. Frog spawn form clumps. Toad eggs are in strands. Oh, and that's the difference between a toad tadpole and a frog tadpole. It's not a huge difference, but you can tell a difference there. That's interesting. But we can't land because there are land spiders. I mean, true. That is true. And presumably there are more land spiders than there are water spiders, but personally, I don't like the idea of either. You know? Oh. Oh, no. Okay, so that's actually just a different way of traversing everything. Oh, actually, you can only go to over there. Because we're blocked from going further. And I'm guessing, yeah, we can't go further than that either. So that was the pond. I didn't actually mean to exit it, but that's what happened. Okay, let's go to the garden and see what's there. Oh, look at this. I say let's go underground first, and then we'll go above ground after. Oh, poor wormy. A blackbird, yellow beak. The male is black, the female brown. A yellow ring around the eyes, black feathers, a black tail. Medium-sized bird. Forest blackbirds are shy, city ones are more curious and cheeky. Often seen helping themselves on bird tables. Lays blue-green eggs. Has a comical bobbing hop. Oh, that's mean. Poor blackbird. It's very cute. Top bird. It ate the top worm. Well, I guess the top bird really showed who was top by eating the top. Okay, we can look at that from above ground. The game is roasting a bird for no reason. It is, yeah. Potato. Leaves. The flower resembles a tomato plant. Stem, tuber, root. Potatoes are food and animal feed. Colorado beetle. I guess they're pests for potatoes? It's a tuber plant originating in South America. It was brought to Europe in the 16th century as a decorative plant, really? Huh. I would not have guessed, I'll be honest. Oh, it's curling up. Woodlouse. Segmented feelers, and that is segment. Active only during the night. Young woodlice are pale, adults are dark. As a member of the terrestrial crustaceans, shuns light, lives in damp places under stones or wood. When threatened, curls up like a little armadillo. Eats on plant and animal remains, live for up to 3 years. Oh wow! I'm guessing we get to check out those guys from up top as well, right? Like, can I not? Oh no, I can't. Oh, I can. Oh, okay. Okay, a leek. Leek in fluorescence. Oh, so the leek is also like flowers like bundled together. Ah, okay. I didn't actually know that the leek had a flower, I'll be honest. Good for soups and sauces. That it is. Yep. Simple sessile leaves. Ovoid bulb. keeps growing up to 150 days. Wow. Quite a long time. I'm guessing leeks can get pretty, big, so. Biennial or even perennial vegetable from Southeast Asia originally. One of the bulbs, the national vegetable of Wales. Oh. Huh. I can't have a look at the cauliflower. Hello there. What kind of a beetle are you? Wales has a shit vegetable. I mean, the leek is pretty neat, but maybe not the most exciting vegetable. Striped minstrel bug. Tentacle, head, thorax, black bars. It can fly. When threatened, can emit a stinky secretion. An abundant shield bug found in meadows, glades, woodland edges, and gardens. The female lays her eggs on flowers. Young minstrel bugs are omnivorous. Adults feed on nectar from the flowers of plants related to the carrot. I guess that's why the carrot there has been nibbled on a little bit. Been slightly nibbled. Carrot. Stem. Root. Carrot flower. Rhubarb is Canada's vegetable. Ooh, rhubarbs are yummy. Leaf close-up. Fun to crunch or not? A biennial plant grown as a root vegetable. Comes from South Asia. The orange roots were selectively bred. Yeah, because you have was it like purpley carrots as well? So this is horseradish? Oh, root parsley. Oh, stem and root. Parsley flower. Curly and flat leaf parsley. Used widely in the food industry. A biennial root vegetable originally from the Mediterranean, often added to potato salad. Yeah. Kohlrabi. That's actually kind of... Nath doesn't know what horseradish is. Okay, I may not have been thinking about horseradish. I do know what it is. I may have been thinking of the wrong... I'm thinking of the right plant, but I may have said the wrong name. Anyways. Kohlrabi is... That's named kohlrabi in Norwegian as well, but it's spelled differently. Petite leaves. The kohlrabi flower is similar to mustard. Oh. Slugs love kohlrabi leaves. Oh no. Leaves cooked like cabbage. Oh, so you can basically eat the entire plant. Above ground stem tuber. And that's a root. Oh. Biennial brassica vegetable. Grows to a height of 50 centimeters. Originates from the Mediterranean region. Oh. Interesting. Garlic. Sessile leaves, garlic flower. Segmented, yeah. Spherical bulb. Pungent with medicinal effects. Yeah, quite pungent. But it's delicious. Garlic is great. A perennial plant from Central Asia grows to a height of up to 40 centimeters. A widely used food flavoring. Oh yeah, very widely, and for good reason. Onion. Has sessile leaves, robust stem, papery skin. Onion pollen is collected by bees. Oh, it's a cross section of an onion. Onions and honey, a common cold salve. Really? I did not know that. Interesting. A biennial or perennial plant originally from Central Asia, when sliced, releases an eye irritant. Yeah, it sure does. A lot of people cry when, Lettuce, one of the most common ingredients of a salad. That is very true. Leaves, stalk, root. A leafy vegetable cultivated throughout history. Smooth or crinkly leaves bunch up to form a head. Its flower resembles a dandelion. Oh yeah, it does. The leaves are the part usually eaten. The lettuce is rich in many vitamins. Lettuce is delicious. The leaves are also edible. The radish is a neat vegetable. Spherical or cylindrical root comes in a variety of shapes. There's white flowers. And that's a cross-section of the bulb. Nice. Bunch of radishes. An annual root vegetable originating from Asia. The tangy taste comes from the mustard oil and radishes. Round. Very round. Yep. Very round. See. Okay, let's go above ground. Actually, we may not be able to see these things from up there since we can't apparently walk on all of the stinging nettle. That's a flower and stem. Rambling rhizome. Oh, that also has a rhizome. Covered in stinging hairs. Has many seeds. Yeah, you don't want to touch these. Widely used in medicine. Also, like soups. Nettle. We have like nettle soup. Nat's evil twin. What do you mean? Considered a herb. Grows 150 centimeters abundantly in ditches, meadows, and roadside verges. Yeah. Red poppy. Petal leaf, flower stem. Stem responds to injury by exuding milky sap. Jagged leaves and roots. Poppies are pretty. Flowers from May to August. Fruit is a poppy head. I didn't know it had fruit. Nettly summer. Wow. Poppy doll. Oh, interesting. An annual medicinal herb, widespread as a weed in meadows and fields, originates from the Mediterranean. Yes, very medicinal. I mean, yeah. Oh, it's a beehive. European honeybee. We've actually already read about the European honeybee, but we might as well read about him again, because bees are neat. That has compound eyes, antennae, legs, transparent wings, and a stinger. In the combs, there are bee larvae, stored honey, and pollen. Their stingers are barbed, so that's why it's very unfortunate when they end up stinging something. The stinger tends to get broken off and they die, which is very, very sad. Honeybees form large bee colonies. Life cycle of a honeybee. Queen lays an egg, then egg, a larva, bigger larva. Then there are pupae for 2 stages, and then an adult bee. And then we have a worker bee feeding a larvae. See, and we read about the bird. Butterfly! Oh, cute. Common blue butterfly. It has feelers, front wing, rear wing. Males have blue wings, the females brown. A daytime butterfly that likes drier garden habitats, quarries, roadsides, and heaths. It feeds happily on red clover, lays eggs on flowering plants. Its pupae and caterpillars are tended by ants. Oh, that's interesting. I wonder what the ants get from that, like, relationship. It's eating the plant. A goldfinch. A red mask, pinkish beak, yellow stripes, slim body, and brown limbs. A songbird, the heaviest at over 16 grams. Lives in orchards, meadows, and gardens. Feeds on the seeds of thistles. Nesting season is from May to August. Used to be kept in captivity. Oh, the poor goldfinch. So thistle. Pale purple flowers and spines. Grooved stem. Rooted as deep as 70 centimeters. Wow. That's pretty deep. Also called Scotch thistle. Downy seeds. Seeds are loved by goldfinches. A prickly plant growing to a height of 150 centimeters. It flowers from July to October. It's a well-lit location. Okay. Let's see how far we can get on the ground before we... Oh. What's he doing? Not much. Earwig. Orange legs, brown body, and pincers. Omnivorous, active mainly during the night. Under the elytra, its wings are fan-shaped. Oh. Frequently found in human dwellings as well as fields, meadows, and forests. The female lays up to 50 eggs in the nest, diligently cares for them, and keeps them moist. Lifespan up to 1.5 years. Oh, interesting. Lies? What are lies? Okay. Let's keep going. Okay, we've read about the poppy. We read about that. Okay, that's the furthest we can go. There's eggs in your ears. If you try to remove them, they pierce your ears. I'm not sure that's true. Oh, that's a pear tree. Yeah, that did look like pears. Leaves. Pear tree blossom is white. Leaves tend to get attacked by parasitical fungi. Oh no! Cross-section of a pear. Fruit is a pear, also a pome. Huh. A fruit-bearing deciduous tree lives for up to 200 years. Its wood is also used to make musical instruments. Oh. That is pretty cool. Oh, yummy. Blue tipped. Blue head, black band across the eyes, white wing band. Gray feet. About the size of a house sparrow. A songbird. It likes gardens and parks with people around. Very cute. In the summer, eats insects. In winter, seeds. Typically nests twice a year. Targeted by many predators. Oh no, kitty, no! It's a blue tit. I loved it. It's a great bird. They're so nimble. They sure are. Hello there. Oh. Oh, that was food time. Hoopoe. Upright crest. Long, thin beak. Yellow, brown, pink coloring. Dark legs. A seldom seen migratory bird, likes warm areas, orchards. The hoopoe feeds on small insects, nests in hollow trees, flies slowly and low to the ground. Ah, it's not a pun. No, they're very cute birds. They're very cute birds. Apple tree. It has pinkish white flowers. Poor. Dried apples. Dried apples are yummy. Botanists call the apple a pome. So the pear is also a pome. A deciduous fruit tree lives for up to 100 years. Apple trees are typically found in gardens and orchards. Nice. Red currant. Conspicuous flowers. 5-fingered leaves, stem, and root. The berries are tart, used to make juice, jam, and wine. I'm guessing by the various bottles there. A deciduous fruit shrub or small tree. It flowers from April to May. The berries are popular with blackbirds. Oh, cool. Okay, now we're down here. Plum tree. Flower close-up. Fruit with stone. That's a leaf close-up. A warm climate fruit tree or shrub growing to a height of up to 10 meters. Plum trees are common in gardens and orchards. Nice. Hello, birdie. Oh. Oh. A colored dove. Gray beak, black bar, beige-brown plumage, and pink feet. A largish bird resembling a pigeon. Lives in lifelong pairs near people. Forages in open land, fields, and meadows. Feeds on seeds, berries, and worms. 2 to 4 broods of 2 white eggs. The chicks are fed by both parents. Aww. The pair really... They go it together. It's really nice. Oh, look at them fly. Pretty. Peacock butterfly. Peacock's eye, feelers, black-brown edging, front wing and rear wing. A widespread butterfly found in meadows, gardens, parks, and the edges of forests. It overwinters in attics, tree hollows, and cool basements. When closed, the wings resemble a dry leaf. Feeds on the nectar of plants. Caterpillars live on nettles. So I'm guessing when it closes, like, when the wings are closed and it resembles a dry leaf, I'm guessing that's a form of, like, because having, like, big eye shapes is usually a protective thing where it's like, this is my face, I'm this big. And I'm guessing resembling a dry leaf is also a kind of camouflage thing. But those are complete conjecture. I know nothing about these things. Tomato. Leaves, fruit, and root. Flowers get pollinated by bees and bumblebees. There are various types and shapes. It was initially kept as an ornamental plant. This annual plant is native to Central and South America. Some consider it a fruit. I mean, technically it is a berry. But, I mean, most people still think of it as a vegetable, I suppose. Brussels sprouts. Leaves. Harvested in the winter, too. Brussels sprout florets. The leaf close-up. Oh yeah, so the Brussels sprouts are the florets, basically. Root. A hardy biennial brassica vegetable, first cultivated from cabbages in Belgium in the 18th century. Cool. Ladybug, go! Wow. Ladybug. Healers, red elytra, 7 black spots, and legs. Ladybird, ladybird fly away home. It's a well-known rhyme. I do not know that rhyme, but it's probably well-known in English-speaking countries, or, well, English. Where English is the first and... Where English is the mother tongue, it is probably a well-known rhyme. Ladybird larva is predatory. One of the most well-known bugs, a good flyer. It's even called the ladybird in Britain. Oh, right. Ladybug, ladybird. Right. It feeds mainly on aphids and worms. It is thus a welcome helper to stop them taking over. Yeah, ladybugs are good for gardens and stuff, I've heard. And that's probably why. Pretty butterfly. Or a moth. I can't really tell the difference. It is a butterfly. Swallowtail butterfly. Red spots, spurs, black edging. A daytime butterfly. Wingspan of up to 9 centimeters. Most commonly found near gardens, meadows, and pastures. Close-up of his adult swallowtail's head. It's cute. Caterpillars change their coloring. Caterpillars feed on carrots and fennel stalks. Oh, neat! Field pea. Tendril, stem, and root. Flower close-up. They have pretty flowers. Pods contain fleshy seeds. Peas are a leguminous plant. An annual climbing vine originating in the Mediterranean. Grows up to a height of 1.5 meters. Needs support to climb on. They do need support to climb on, yeah. Oh, here we get to see the cauliflower. Leaves and stalk. The cauliflower rosette is a modified flower, massive root, an annual brassica vegetable selectively bred from collard greens, much like kohlrabi or cabbage. Called a cabbage with a college education. Because it kind of looks like a brain. Cooked in a variety of ways. Romanesco. Is that a type of cauliflower? Romanesco? I think I've seen those, but they're not very common in stores here. Oh yeah, that's just the end. Oh. It's so cute though. So very cute. I still feel like they did the blackbird dirty, but I guess that's just sometimes how it is. There is a little bug there. Can we not? I guess it's probably just the larvae of some other bug that we've read about. It's such a cute little educational game. Like, it's so cute. Although the way you move down the stairs is ladders is a little bit scary. But yeah. That would be it. I don't think there's anything else Oh, wait, no. There we go. Yeah, you missed it. Over here. Cabbage white caterpillar. The body is covered with hairs, dark spots. Mutates into the cabbage white butterfly. Oh, pretty. Preyed upon by birds. A common garden caterpillar. Targets cauliflower, kohlrabi, broccoli, and cabbage. The larvae devalue leafed vegetables, not just by nibbling, but with their droppings too. Oh no. It is kind of a cute caterpillar though. Probably not for the people whose, vegetables are ruined by them, but it is cute still. Oh. But yeah, we almost missed that little caterpillar. I don't think we've missed anything else. So we can't really go anywhere else. Oh, that's an index on all of the things. Oh. Oh, I think I accidentally... Oh, it took me to one of the... This is an index of all of the... things. Like all of the creatures and plants. All of the flora and fauna we've learned about throughout this game. And I guess you can kind of teleport to it because it seems like that's what I accidentally did there. Yeah. I'm guessing now that we've... Oh! No, it's just the burrow and the pond that has puzzles. That's interesting. I actually thought it was the burrow and the forest that we had puzzles of earlier, but no, it was the burrow and the pond. Oh. Should we do one just for funsies? Like, we have to do a 24 one, but... Sure, we'll do that one. That one's cute. Okay, so here's a corner. Oh, I have to drag it. Okay. I mean, it's kind of cheaty that you get to see where everything... Nope. Okay, well, I still got it wrong, apparently. You have to be a bit more precise. It's a little bit of a cheat that you get to see the picture, because now I can just do this. Oh, because I can tell where everything is supposed to be. Which would not be the case if there was no background here. So, I mean, it is very much a game for kids, which is like an educational little game for kids. But it's very, very cute. It's very, very cute. I've really enjoyed it. Like, it does tell you about all of these creatures, all of these plants, and it just does so in a very cute manner. I really enjoyed it. Like, I'm not exactly the target audience, that much is clear by this puzzle alone, if we were wondering. But it's still very cute, and it's a very, very cute, like, it's very neat that you have this opportunity to be like, you know, if you have a child that's curious about nature and stuff, you can, you know, give them this and they'll learn a thing or two. Hello, Mundle. How you doing? Welcome. Puzzle time? Yes, we are finishing off with a puzzle just to try it out. It would be nice if there was just a you know, white background, so I couldn't just place all of the pieces like the way I've been doing. But this is still cute. And it is just a cute Tiles game. I'm guessing this is probably less tedious as well if you're doing it in handheld mode. Yay! I feel so accomplished. Yeah, it's probably less tedious to do in handheld mode because then you're just dragging them. But yeah, it's very, very cute. So yeah, very, very short stream today. I'm hoping to get more back into my usual schedule soon, but there's just been a lot of things that have just exhausted me lately, and so I just haven't been able to properly do things the way I usually do, basically. So I figured, you know what, I'd rather do a short stream again than do no stream. So here we are with just finishing off this adorable little game because, well, I wanted to do so anyways, and this was a way we could do it. So, Ken is actually rip my timing. Yeah, very unfortunate, but we just ended. I don't think I've ever been able to raid Ken, because, well, usually I stream when Ken streams, so, and, well, I start after Ken, and usually, you know, but yeah, this'll be fun. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I do hope you enjoyed the very cute little educational, it is basically just animal and insect and plant facts, and that is it. But it's been so cute. I've really enjoyed it. It's an adorable little educational game. I really like it. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. Obviously, we won't be doing this anymore for short streams if there are more short streams in the future. But we'll see. I'll do something else. Like, we can do short Minecraft or short Dreamlight Valley or Stardew Valley or, you know, whatever for short streams. So there are options if that's going to be a continuous thing. There's just been a lot of things that's just, exhausted me lately. So it's just been a thing. But I'm hoping to get back to my usual schedule soon with longer streams because I do like streaming a lot. I'm just so tired. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, evening, or night. I hope that you have fun with Ken. And if not tomorrow, then I hope to see you soon. Bye bye for now. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye.